Hey everyone, I'm Congzhi. I'm currently Year 3 studying Civil Engineering and I'm specializing in the digitalization of urban infrastructure. Thank you for tuning in to my sharing about my NUS experiences, and I hope that I can help you in making a more informed decision in your preferred course of study. So why did I choose Civil Engineering? I believe that having a career in civil engineering and construction will give me a sense of purpose, and I'll find fulfillment in contributing to Singapore's infrastructure and urban landscape. Furthermore, I'll be part of the process in creating spaces where people live, work, and connect with each other. So, I'm happy that I've chose NUS due to the abundance of opportunities. There are special programs such as the Overseas Exchange Program, where you can have the experience of studying abroad, as well as the NUS Overseas College Program, where you can hone your entrepreneurship spirit and intern in a startup overseas. Furthermore, there's career guidance and networking sessions where you can hone in and talk to people within your field of study to find out more about what you might be doing in the future. In civil engineering, there is also strong academic support due to the good lecturer and student ratio. This means that there's professors who have more attention to you if you need help. Furthermore, there's also online resources such as NUS Mods and e-libraries to help you with your learning process. There's also a rich student life such as student clubs, where you can hone your passion and find like-minded individuals. And there's also on-campus accommodation, where you can have a sense of community while studying. My student life consists of being the external director of NUS Civil Engineering Club, where I organize site visits to projects such as Punggol Digital District and the Tuas Water Reclamation Plant. And through this, I'm able to converse with industry professionals and find out more about what they do in real life. Currently, I'm also part of Temasek Hall, where I'm the Vice President and the Sports Director. And I'm a part of the greater community and can be involved in different passions such as community, sports, and the arts. There are more than 50 CCAs to choose from, and you'll be spurred for a choice in the activities that you can do while studying. Hall also provides you with a student leadership, and you can choose from different CCAs and learn how to have leadership and team building. I was also fortunate enough to be selected for the NOC Munich program, where I was interning at Kawazo, a startup that specializes in robotics for scaffolding. Furthermore, I was also doing an entrepreneurship prototyping module at the Technical University of Munich while undergoing the 6-month internship program. Through the knowledge and experience that I had, I also had to present a business pitch on a startup idea with my NOC mates. My greatest takeaways from this whole experience is that I was immersed in a different culture, I learned what entrepreneurship is about, and I found a lot of fulfillment and enjoyment throughout. I was also involved in special projects such as my research on performance of tunnel mud as aggregate substitutes in concrete production. This was done for the Engineering Innovation Challenge by IES, and I was doing it during my Year 1 summer and research at the NUS Civil Engineering Lab. For my final presentation, my group presented to DPM Heng Swee Keat, and we also showcased at World Engineering Summit. Through this experience, LTA also expressed interest in our project on a trial for bicycle paths. From my sharing, you can see that there's a lot of opportunities that you can have while studying at NUS. To find out more about civil engineering, do scan the first QR code, and to find out about other programs in CDE, do scan the second QR code. I'll see you in NUS.